Hi. In this video, I am going to talk about the Scrum framework from a different perspective than previous videos. In previous videos, I have covered a number of Scrum terms. What makes this video different is that I will be stepping through the Scrum framework in the order that the events occur. Let's dig in. The Scrum process really starts at the product backlog. The product backlog is an ordered list of items that represent the features and capabilities that the product owner and stakeholders envision in the product. The items that are higher in the order should be broken into small enough pieces that the Scrum team can consume and complete in a sprint. The first day of the sprint, the Scrum team gets together for sprint planning. The sprint planning usually consists of 1. The Scrum team drafting the goal for the sprint. 2. The product owner providing and clarifying the backlog items that are candidates to be included in the sprint. 3. The Scrum team deciding what the team can complete during the sprint and an idea on how they will complete the items. The team uses the definition of done as its guide for estimating the size and figuring out how to complete the work. Those items are encapsulated in the sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is used throughout the sprint. The duration of a sprint is 2-4 weeks. Shorter than 2 weeks adds too much overhead for most teams. Greater than 4 weeks doesn't create the sense of urgency for the team. 2 weeks seems to be the sweet spot for most teams. Every working day, the team will get together to discuss its progress toward achieving the sprint goal. They will inspect the sprint backlog with the perspective of achieving the sprint goal. Teams new to Scrum will often have each Scrum team member answer what they accomplished yesterday, what they plan on doing today, and what their impediments stand in their way. The Scrum Master is responsible for helping the team resolve their impediments and taking on those impediments the team can't resolve. The last day of the sprint, the team and interested stakeholders attend the sprint review event. During the sprint review, the team shares what work it has completed during the sprint and gathers feedback from the various stakeholders. Sprint planning is sometimes referred to as the sprint demo. The team should show actual completed work products and avoid slides. Seeing actual work products builds confidence within the Scrum team and with stakeholders. The collection of done items are now ready to be potentially made available to stakeholders. I like to think of the done items as being put in a box and taped shut. Since the items are done, the team's job is done, and they move on to the sprint retrospective. The feedback from stakeholders received during the sprint review is incorporated into the product backlog by the product owner. The sprint retrospective is an opportunity for the team to consider how the team did during the sprint. To encourage collaboration, only the Scrum team may attend the retro, although they may also invite others to attend. During the retro, feedback from the sprint review is incorporated. In addition, any feedback from the product increment is included as well. The results from the retrospective are for the team's eyes only. The primary reason of limiting who can attend the meeting and its results is that a trusting environment with psychological safety is required to get honest feedback. Any changes that the team needs to make is an input into the sprint planning meeting that occurs the next day. The Scrum framework is a powerful way of getting work done. Though founded to solve challenges with software development, it works for most types of work. If you haven't already, check out the Scrum Guide at scrumguides.org. I hope you found this video valuable. Thanks for watching.